Hello everyone. In this video I would like to discuss why Opencart 1 is still available on the market, and there is a link at Opencart site offering to download Opencart 1.5.6. The latest Opencart 1 version was released on April 23 in 2014 year, almost 2 years ago, more than 2 years ago. But this version is still popular, I believe. Why is it happening? First, the Opencart 1 is very stable solution. There are no major bugs. They were fixed in previous versions, so if you start a project with Opencart 1, you will get a stable store. Second point is that Opencart 1 has a lot of modules on the market. For example, I can prove that Opencart 1 has more modules than the latest Opencart version. Let's check extensions for the latest Opencart 1 version. There are 104 pages with Opencart extensions. Let's check the latest version. The latest Opencart 2 version has 286 extension pages. So you see that Opencart 1 has more extensions than Opencart 2. The third point is almost the same as previous point, but I have to emphasize that vendors of other solutions made compatible modules for Opencart 1, but it's not a fact that those vendors have solutions adapted to Opencart 2. Payment gateways, shipping carriers, and some other software like accounting software, some bridges for forums or forum engines or other engines like WordPress. But WordPress, I believe, has a compatible solution for Opencart 2 already. The fourth point is that Opencart 1 works very fast. It's very fast engine. Yes, it has some problems with indexation, but it works fast. Actually, Opencart 2 works also fast, is also fast, but Opencart 2 introduced a proxy engine which creates classes. Through a proxy class, it does not look good and it doesn't work good. I hate it, but I live with it. The next point is that Opencart 1 has almost all required features that Opencart 2 has. So Opencart 2 did not bring any major functionality except a built-in responsive design. Yes, Opencart 2 has a responsive design, but I'm sure you will be able to find a responsive theme on the market or create a custom theme with responsive functionality. So it's not a minus or disadvantage significant. Here is a summary. Of course, I do not recommend to create new stores with Opencart 1, mostly because of the design. But creating a store with Opencart 1 is not a problem, and it's not a difficulty for a developer. If you choose between two platforms and you have some reasons to use Opencart 1, then go with it. It's okay. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.